How can Apple catch up with Google, Microsoft, and Meta in the AI race? Is Apple too late to join the generative AI revolution? Or does it have a secret weapon that could give it an edge over its competitors? We will look at Apple's current and potential involvement in the AI business and how it could leverage its unique strengths to create innovative and impactful AI solutions. So, let's get started. Apple is one of the most valuable and influential companies in the world, but it has not been a leader in the field of artificial intelligence. While its rivals like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft have been investing heavily in cloud-based AI services and products, Apple has been relatively quiet and secretive about its AI ambitions. However, this does not mean that Apple is currently ignoring AI or falling behind. On the contrary, Apple has a different and potentially more powerful AI strategy that focuses on edge AI or on-device AI, which could give it a long-term advantage in the AI race. Apple's rocky start in 2024. The year 2024 did not start well for Apple. The company faced several challenges, including a sharp decline in its share price, which dropped by more than 10% in January, marking its worst start since 1982. Apple also lost its position as the most valuable company in the world to Microsoft, which surpassed it in market capitalization. One of the main reasons for Apple's troubles was the perception that it lacked a clear and coherent AI strategy compared to that of its competitors, who were more vocal and visible about their AI initiatives. Apple's position in the AI race. Despite its rocky start, Apple was not doing badly in terms of its financial performance and innovation. In fact, Apple stock spiked nearly 50% in 2023, though it still lagged behind other tech giants like Nvidia and Amazon, which saw their stocks soar up by more than 100% and 70% respectively. Apple also continued to launch new and improved products and services such as the iPhone 15 and the Apple Watch Series 8, the AirPods Pro 2, the Apple Vision Pro, and the Apple One subscription bundle. However, critics argue that Apple's AI strategy was unclear and insufficient and that it was missing out on the huge opportunities and challenges posed by AI. They pointed out that Apple was not leveraging its vast user base and data to offer cloud-based AI services and products, such as smart speakers, digital assistants, search engines, and social networks, which Google, Amazon, and Facebook dominated. They also claimed that Apple was not participating enough in the AI research community and that it was not hiring or acquiring enough AI talents and companies. Apple's potential long-term advantage in edge AI. However, some experts believe that Apple has long-term potential and vision in AI, particularly in edge AI or on-device AI. Edge AI refers to the process of running AI algorithms and models locally on devices rather than relying on distant servers or cloud platforms. Edge AI offers several benefits such as faster and more responsive AI functionalities, lower latency and bandwidth consumption, higher privacy and security, and greater personalization and customization. Apple has been a pioneer and a leader in edge AI as it has integrated AI capabilities into its devices such as the iPhone, the iPad, the Mac, the Apple Watch, and the AirPods. Apple's edge AI strategy is based on its integration of hardware, software, silicon, and services, which sets it apart from its competitors. Apple designs and manufactures its own devices, operating systems, processors, and chips, which gives it more control and optimization over the performance, efficiency, and functionality of its AI features. Apple also offers a seamless and consistent user experience across its devices, which are connected by its services such as iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and AirPlay. This integration spans various devices including smartphones, computers, wearables, and potentially augmented reality headsets, giving Apple a unique advantage in delivering AI-enabled products. Edge AI and its implications for the future. Edge AI or on-device AI could have significant implications for the future of AI and technology. Edge AI could lead to faster, more personalized, and more secure AI experiences without compromising on the quality or accuracy of the AI models. Edge AI could also enable more offline and independent AI functionalities without requiring a consistent internet connection or cloud access. Edge AI could also empower more users and developers to create and use AI applications without depending on the centralization platforms or services of the tech giants. Edge AI could also reduce the environmental impact of AI, as it could lower the energy consumption and carbon emissions of the data centers and servers that power the cloud-based AI services. Apple's emphasis on privacy and local data storage positions it well for the shift to edge AI. as it could appeal to the users and regulators who are concerned about the data collection and usage practices of the tech giants. Apple's custom silicon and efficiency. One of the key factors that distinguishes Apple from its competitors is its in-house chip design and the manufacturing. Apple has been developing its processors and chips for its products such as the iPhone, the iPad, the Mac, the Apple Watch, and the AirPods. With its transition to custom silicon, Apple gains greater control over its supply chain, reducing its dependence on external manufacturers like Intel and Qualcomm and enabling more efficient and powerful AI processing on its devices. Apple's custom silicon has made its products more powerful and efficient, as it can optimize the performance, battery life, and functionality of its AI features. For example, Apple's AI-15 Bionic chip, which powers the iPhone 15, has a 16-core neural engine that can perform up to 15.8 trillion operations per second, making it faster and more compatible for handling complex AI tasks, such as face recognition, natural language processing, and image enhancement. Apple's M1 chip, which powers the Mac, has 16-core neural engines that can perform up to 11 trillion operations per second, making it more energy efficient and faster than Intel's chips. Apple's S7 chip, which powers the Apple Watch Series 8, has a neural engine that can perform up to 10 billion operations per second, making it more responsive and accurate in tracking health and fitness metrics. Apple's H2 chip, which powers the AirPods Pro 2, has a neural engine that can perform up to 1 billion operations per second, making it more effective in noise cancellation and voice recognition. Apple's transition to inference and user experience. Another factor that differentiates Apple from its competitors is its transition to inference or on-device AI, which means that most of the AI models and algorithms run locally on the devices rather than relying on distant servers or cloud platforms. This transition to inference has several advantages, such as faster and more responsive AI functionalities, lower latency and bandwidth consumption, higher privacy and security, and greater personalization and customization. Apple's monetization of AI and revenue growth. The key question for investors and analysts is how Apple will monetize its AI efforts and generate revenue growth from its AI business. Unlike its competitors, who offer cloud-based AI services and products such as smart speakers, digital assistants, search engines, and social networks, which generate revenue from advertising, data, or subscriptions, Apple does not have a clear or direct way of monetizing its AI features and functionalities, which are mostly integrated into its devices and services. Apple's challenges in telling the AI story and perception. Apple has faced criticism and skepticism for its lack of clarity and transparency in communicating its AI strategy and vision. Unlike its competitors, who have been more vocal and visible about their AI initiatives and achievements, Apple has been relatively quiet and secretive about its AI projects and acquisitions. This lack of communication and disclosure has led to the perception that Apple is lagging or missing out on the huge opportunities and challenges posed by AI. Some analysts and investors have questioned Apple's AI strategy and capabilities and have expressed doubts about its ability to compete and innovate in the AI field. Some media and critics have also compared Apple unfavorably to its rivals and have highlighted its weaknesses and shortcomings in AI. Apple's balancing of privacy and AI advancements and trade-offs. Apple's commitment to user privacy and data protection presents both opportunities and challenges in AI development and deployment. While the company has access to vast amounts of user data, which could be used to train and improve its AI models and algorithms, it also maintains strict privacy controls and policies, which could limit the quality and accuracy of its AI models and algorithms compared to that of its competitors, who collect and use more data for their AI services and products. Apple's privacy focuses on differentiating it from its competitors and gives it a unique selling point and a competitive advantage in the AI market. Apple's privacy focus also aligns with its Edge AI strategy, which could offer faster, more personalized, and more secure AI experiences without compromising the quality or accuracy of the AI models. We've seen how Apple is slowly but surely embracing the AI boom and how it could use its vertical integration of hardware, software, silicon, and services to create efficient and powerful AI models on Apple devices. What do you think? Will Apple be the dark horse of the AI arms race, or will it fall behind its rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel